Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a new virtual hard drive in VMware Workstation on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. This tutorial is perfect if your virtual machine is running out of disk space, or if you want to create a separate drive to store your files, software, or projects. Let's get started. Step 1. Shut down the virtual machine. Before adding a new virtual hard drive, make sure your virtual machine is completely powered off. Step 2. Open Virtual Machine Settings. Now click Edit, Virtual Machine Settings. This window allows you to change the hardware configuration of your virtual machine, such as memory, processor, network adapter, and hard disks. Next, select Hard Disk, then click the Add button. The Add Hardware wizard will open. From here, simply follow me step by step as I show you how to create and add a new virtual hard drive to your virtual machine. Step 3. Start the virtual machine. Power on the virtual machine and log into Windows. Once Windows has started, we'll prepare the new disk. Once Windows has started, you should see the new hard drive available in your system. If it doesn't appear in File Explorer yet, don't worry. We just need to initialize and format the new disk in Disk Management before it can be used. Step 4. Open Disk Management. Right-click the Start button. Select Disk Management. Windows should automatically detect the new hard drive. You'll now see the new disk marked as unallocated. Right-click the unallocated space. Select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Use the full disk size. Assign a drive letter, such as D or E. Choose NTFS as the file system. You can keep Quick Format checked. Click Next, then click Finish. Windows will format the drive. After a few seconds, the new drive is ready to use. Step 5. Verify the new drive. Open File Explorer. Click this PC. You should now see your newly created drive. You can start saving files, installing applications, or storing backups on this new virtual disk. And that's it. You've successfully added and configured a new virtual hard drive in VMware Workstation on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.